Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought I would turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. I thought I would come down here this early this morning and see what shortwave conditions were. Now, what's taken place is the solar flux index about a week ago was 94, 95. And unfortunately, I had some other appointments and I could not get down here and do any reception. So finally had time to do it. I'm down here, but now the solar flux is 74. Oh, I missed it. Went up, went down, and I missed it. Anyway, I'm down here and I'm in my workshop where my two best shortwave antennas come in, one being my Megaloop, and my antennas survived our, quote, hurricane. So they're all up and operational, I think. And we're using the new Texan H-501X. I really love this radio. The look and feel is really nice. The keys are nice. But anyway, so I did a scan a few minutes ago, and I'm going to show you what I found, even with poor band conditions. So we get the Preacher Man here.
The more you come to realize that man.
Now, I say the Preacher Man. This is the Preacher Man's station, or one of his stations that he broadcast or used to broadcast on. He's no longer with us. So they're still broadcasting either repeats of his shows or another Preacher Man. And that's in, well, there's several transmitters. I believe this one is in Tennessee. So it's not doing too bad.
And that if he was able to achieve a status where
so let's go on.
never ever trespassed.
That's that's a Spanish religious broadcast. Spanish again, right around 6 megahertz in the morning. I get all these Spanish stations. That one is 1, 2. It's another one. Pretty weak.
Night program at midnight tonight. It's just on
that's loud.
past 11. Another hour of Saturday night requests to go. Can you please play Christchurch Woman by Justin Towns Earl, my lovely and patient wife Helen? Says I text. I'm not sure who Helen's husband is, but whoever, here's your song.
Okay, I'm going to look this up if I can ever get my computer to wake up. Nope, music, we don't want that. So here we're going to go to shortwave-info. It's a great website, and we're going to put it in 7245. What's on now? And it says, really? It says the only thing it's broadcasting right now is, where is that? It's over in the middle of the Middle East. Let me sort here by strong signal. Yeah, voice of TAJIK. And that is in, let me click on the flag here, and I can tell you where it's transmitting from. Let me zoom out here. It's just north of Afghanistan. Now, could that really be true? I doubt it. Let me turn it back up. Nah, that sounds like Tennessee. Let me go back here. And no, I don't see anything else. There's a lot of stations listed on this frequency, but I don't see any close by. There's a China radio. 7245 is pretty popular. There's one in, oh, this could be Romania. Oh well, we'll better move on, guys. Music. More music.
Then wash them under running water and finally rinse with filtered water.
Let me look that one up. 575. Yep, 7570. 75.
When going out, not very long. For a good month, a 6 month. With care, better wear a hat to cover hair to hair. When coming back home,
That,
throw them
oh,
out
that
the
could be
way.
close by.
Wash them in hot water and detergent.
When going out, have to wear gloves. Don't touch your face.
That could be coming out of Okeechobee. Yep, I believe that.
On the inside arm, not on your hands.
When coming back,
And it's
wash
in
hands
English, yeah.
and sanitize hands
That's probably what that
outside
is.
the room,
Okeechobee.
in your own door, public doors.
9265. Stand by. Gotta learn how to use a keyboard. 9265. And that's really not any. Oh, WINB. And that's Northeast United States. And that could be the Overcomer Ministry. That's probably what that is. So it's a couple hundred miles from me. Not a big deal. Spanish, 9535. It almost sounds like a China radio broadcast. 9535. It's probably in my back door. Yep. That's coming out of Radio Habana. Nice and clear. It is 77.
Equipos y dispositivos médicos del país caribeño a la vacuna Abdala, cuya eficacia es de 92,28%.
Yeah, it's showing the wrong display. 74. That's plenty loud. Same thing, 9710. Pretty weak. Oh, that's strong. 9805 with music playing. 9805. 9805. Boy, it's hot in my workshop. I had the wall air conditioner on, but it's so noisy I had to turn it off. Just for you guys. Okay, that is in Greenville. Greenville what? That's Radio Martini. Let me click on the flag here in North Carolina, Greenville, North Carolina. Yeah, it's coming in good. Nope. And of course, conditions change rapidly. It's already after 7 o'clock. Kind of late here. There we go. No Spanish. 11760.
Efemérides.
11760. That sounds like Radio Habana. And that is. Come on, come on.
1852. Nace el patriota Fermín
Yeah.
Valdés Domínguez,
Radio Habana.
y amigo de José Martí. Médico de profesión,
Okay,
contribuyó en la
moving on.
organización de los servicios.
Something there. Music. 11780. And that is probably RNDA Amazonia. Zonia. It's in Brazil. That's a little distance from me. Very weak. 11815. So I am getting stations using my best case setup. And that is in Brazil again. I can't understand what they're saying. Noise. There's something there. I gotta learn how to speak Spanish so I can understand what these stations are saying. No, nothing on that frequency. Let's move up. 13590, very weak. How did I get an ad? Somehow I got an ad. 13590. This is when I need Rob 741. It's Islamic Rep Iran. And they're talking in Arabic. Can't tell. Oh, Radio Urbana.
Alfonso Bauer había nacido.
I'm getting a lot of stations. They're pretty weak. So they're out there. That sounds like Preacher Man. I should start saying Preacher Men. Because the Preacher Man is gone. And that could be out of Nashville, Tennessee. That's why it's so strong. Oh.
Le VIH, mais quand il arrive, avant l'adolescence, il y a un processus d'annonce de la séropositivité qui doit être déclenché.
Ah, that sounds French.
Nous avons besoin d'utiliser les premiers, donc ces jeunes vivant avec le VIH que nous appelons les survivants du VIH, qui sont devenus des jeunes adultes et qui partagent leur expérience et leur parcours avec les adolescents à qui on annonce la séropositivité.
La qualité ou les étapes de la prise en charge psychosociale diffèrent-elles suivant l'âge, le sexe, le niveau d'éducation ou de scolarité ou la situation sociale du patient?
There's Radio France International on 17850. There's also Voice of America, and they're broadcasting in French right now, and that's out of Greenville, North Carolina. So that's probably what that is. Strong signal. 69, 68. Okay, I'm thinking, that's why I skipped over these before. Down on his lower frequencies, let me see if I can bring it up so you can see it. 2.310. I think that's bleed over from the normal medium wave band. So that's why I didn't show you that. So even though the solar flux index is really bad, if you have an outdoor antenna, that makes all the difference in the world. I set this radio up and I did a scan using its built-in telescopic antenna, and I got maybe 2 stations. So then I looked around for my adapter so that I could hook it up to my Mega Loop. And that's another problem. I could not find, I'm going to show you the adapter, and then we'll end up here. Turn the volume down. This is what you need to plug in the side port of this radio and many radios, is this 3.5-inch mono plug. And of course, my cables are not that. I don't have, I'll say it in a minute, I don't have a cable to directly connect to my antennas with a plug on this end. So I use this adapter. Let me get it out. It took me a half an hour to find out what I had done with it. I've only got one. And then, because I couldn't find it, I tried to order one of these off of Amazon. They're impossible to find. I found one that I could get on Prime with 2-day shipping, but it had a cable with it. So this was this end, and then a cable, and then this end. And that was $9. I don't know where I got this one. I thought I got it off of Amazon, but I need to get some spare because this is the only one I have, and I lost it this morning. I finally found it back and up behind the cabinet there. And then, since the output of the little box for the Mega Loop is this kind of connector, SMA, so I had to use an SMA adapter to this adapter. And that works quite well. But man, I had a hard time finding on Amazon this morning this adapter here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.